After months of building, Quinance is officially live. It is your hub for all things decentralized finance on Quai Network. You can bridge assets from other networks to Quai on there, such as USDT from Ethereum to USDT on Quai. You can swap them in there as well and provide liquidity. Here we are on the main page, and to get started, you just need to connect your wallet. I have Pelagos wallet installed, and I'm showing this to you on the desktop app in the Chrome browser. And Pelagos is just a Chrome extension wallet. So I just click connect, and it should be all easy. Then the other way you can do it is also on mobile through the Blip app. Blip is a mobile wallet for Quai Network. It's more like a payments app at this point, and it has an in-app browser. In there, you can also access Quinance.com and do the exact same steps. It works there great as well. We made sure that it works. So if you have any issues, of course, just reach out in Discord. But we'll continue through. Once you connected your wallet, the first thing that would make sense if you're just new to the Quai Network ecosystem is to bridge some assets into Quai. It opens up on this in the swap, but you can click to bridge, and in the bridge, the easiest and most straightforward route is the USDT to USDT from Ethereum to Quai. In here, we already connected our Quai wallet, and we just need to connect our source wallet, that's the EVM Ethereum wallet, and get some USDT from there. Make sure you have some money for gas, and then you'll get it to your Quai address. The bridge the bridge partner Quai Network is using for this specific feature is Symbiosis, so huge shout out to them for working with Quai in here. Once you have your USDT on Quai, it's time to get some other tokens. I know many people were looking to get exposed to Chi, or the energy dollar, another term is private hash cash. You can call it whatever you want, but the ticker is Chi. So to get wrapped Chi, because we are working in a smart contract, you need wrapped Chi because Chi is a UTXO in its own kind of ledger. To work with it and Quai together in a smart contract, you are getting wrapped Chi. So let's say I'm getting all my USDT for wrapped Chi, approve USDT, and this just sign, just the regular transaction. And then in just a couple of moments, it will kind of confirm and arrive. Let's just wait. I just swapped half of my USDT, the 36 cents. Yeah, the numbers are a little funny, but it is just a great prompt to the fact that Quai Network has very low transaction fees. They're actually about 1 cent, programmed to be around that. But yeah, let me open my Pelagos wallet to show you where it is. So here we are with my wrapped Chi. And if you want to get just regular Chi from it, you can just click on it. I just clicked on the asset, and then I click unwrap and just click max amount. But yeah, right now I have very little, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult to do it, but once you have more Chi, you can use that feature as well to get native Chi if you would like to, and that is when you're gonna have the privacy features. Wrapped Chi is just the regular EVM token on Quai, and if you want the private hash cash, the UTXO model and all that, it will need to be just native Chi. There are 3 main assets that you are working with in Quinance, that is wrapped Chi, USDT, and Quai. And there are 3 main pools for them. So let's go to liquidity and pools, and I will show you around there as well. So there are 3 pools: Quai USDT, Quai wrapped Chi, and wrapped Chi USDT. They have pretty juicy APRs right now because not many people have put in liquidity yet. So it's a good chance to get in early and do that and earn some of that if you just have some USDT and Quai laying around and not using anywhere. So here, if you just click on this arrow to expand, you can click add LP. That means you add liquidity into this pool. You'll need both the USDT and the Quai, basically both sides of the pool. If you're familiar with DeFi pools in the past, that's basically the same thing. Then you can stake LP, that is staking the liquidity tokens that you receive for providing liquidity. And you can also incentivize. Incentivization is basically you giving incentives to people who provide liquidity to that pool. This may be useful for you if you just want to support the network, if you want to support the pool and want to encourage people to do it. But it can also be useful if, let's say, you launch a token. There are several token launches on Quai Network, and it comes to Quinance. Let's say it grows big enough to become a token on Quinance. And then on there, you can also incentivize the pool with your own token so that people are more invested into it and so that they actually, make your token liquid on Quai Network. I will leave the link to the Quai ecosystem page where you can find all the, token launchers and so on. But yeah, in this video, I'm just going to go simple and click add LP for the Quai USDT pool. Here, my limiting factor is USDT because I have less USDT than I have Quai. So let's say I'll go and max out my USDT pool. And you can approve a certain amount, or you can do unlimited approval. That just depends on your preferences. Unlimited approval is a little riskier if you have a lot of money in your wallet, or if it is your main wallet. But right now, doesn't really matter for me for the showing purposes. Okay, and we are done. We just put in some liquidity into the pool. And we just reload to make sure everything loads properly. And if you go here and expand the liquidity menu, and then you go to my positions, you can see that here is my LP, which is very tiny. My pool share is also very tiny, which is fine. And yeah, the total value locked of it is only 5,000 and 5,500 basically. So it's a very good time to get in if you're interested in that. Obviously not financial advice and nothing like pressuring you to do it, but just showing you that it is available and the APR is there. To remove the LP, it's very simple. You don't need to wait. There is no like freezing or cooldown period. You just click remove. And then you just click remove liquidity. I'm removing half of my liquidity right now. Then I click sign. And there we go. I removed, and now the numbers are even funnier, but you get the idea. The buttons, just click button after the button, and there are not too many to click, so it should be all good. And there is also the docs page with some more information and tutorials if you need them. And that's basically it. If you've used any kind of DeFi tools in the past, it will be pretty intuitive to get started. But if not, let us know in Discord and the devs will fix it. And if you're ready to get started, but you don't have anything on Quai yet, the easiest first step without a centralized exchange is to just go ahead and bridge some USDT from Ethereum to Quai, and then go ahead and explore the ecosystem, which can be found on qu.ai/ecosystem.